Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove members area to your Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you can just click on this pages and menu on your left sidebar. Now in here, once you click on that, you can see this members area. Under this members area, you can see some pages you have right here. Now you can just click on this right here and click on delete right here in order to manually delete those pages. But if you want to delete the entire members area, what you can do is you can click on this right here, click on the actions, and then from there you should be able to see this option. So click on this delete members area in order to actually delete the members area on your Wix website. Once you have done that, it will be deleted and all of the members that have access to your website will be deleted as well, and they won't be able to log in or sign up anymore and access these specific pages that you have. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!